Hello guys, tutorial number 56. In this 56 tutorial I am going to discuss about circular pattern in 3D model in CATIA program. So let's start the circular pattern. As I discussed earlier video, I have done here in rectangular pattern. Now I am going to sketch circular pattern. For using this circular pattern I am going to make one hole here or cylinder for reference purpose. So you can select this face, select a sketch. Now I'll choose the circle, click OK, exit, go to insert, go to a sketch based feature, pocket, and select this one. OK. So now make a hole here. So by reference of this cylinder I'm going to circulate. So go to insert, a sketch based feature, you can find the hole somewhere this point, click OK. You can give a thread types, whichever types you want. So now I have given the 2 mm diameter, 30 mm depth. Now if you want to give the thread, you can give the thread, and with each diameter, everything, type, which type you want, click OK. So now the hole is done here. Now I'm going to insert the this circular pattern. Click the circular pattern. Now use this click this is the solid, the number of hole for I will take 10 number of circular part. So the angle will be 360 divided by 10, 36 degree, equal spacing. So now select the reference. Before going to select the reference, select this solid part. Hole 3. Okay. Now select the reference. So this is our reference. Now click preview. Okay. Now just rotate it. Now see. So this is called circular pattern by the reference of this circular. Now if you want to use through the axis, by axis through, if you want to circulate, then you can go ahead for the axis process also. So now what I have to do, I have to make another part. So now zoom in, select the XY plane, select a sketch. Now I'll choose the center rectangle. Okay, go to exit. Now go to pad and 10 mm one direction, and go to more and second direction 10 mm. Click preview. Okay. Now just show this all the plane. Now I'm going to make axis, any plane. Select one plane, a sketch. Now choose the line. Okay, sorry. Choose the line. Exit. So now I'm going to make a hole in this surface. So now go to insert and choose the hole option, and you can put it somewhere else, this point. And now you will give the diameter you can give the 2 mm diameter, I'll take 2 mm diameter and depth 30 mm, that will fine for me. Click review. Okay, so now the hole is done, axis is also done. Now I'm going to circulate this pattern through the axis of this uh, part. So now go to insert, go to transformation, go to circular pattern. Now use the, I'll take 10 number of hole of rotation. Angle will be 36 degree, because 36 360 divided by 10, so each angle gap will be 36 degree, angular space 36 degree. Now choose the solid part, so I'm going to choose hole 4. Now click the object is selected. Now I'm going to select the reference. So now this time I'm not going to select the cylinder, I'm going to select the this axis. Now click preview. Okay, now see, so the angular rotation is also done. So this is called circular pattern in CATIA. I hope you understand, and this video is enough to understand this tutorial of this circular pattern. So in next video I will discuss with another example. Thank you for watching this video.